Welcome to my pretend cooking show. My name is Dina Mitchell and this is my kitchen. What do you do with all that leftover lemon juice from making limoncello? You make lemon curd. And what do you make with that lemon curd? You make a lemon tart using my pasta Frolla short crust and some fresh berries. I'm going to show you how to make it now. All you need is lemon, sugar, eggs, and a touch of salt. And this is how it goes. So first thing we're gonna do, and we're gonna make it easy by making it all in the saucepan. So I'm gonna add 190 grams or a whole cup of white sugar. We're gonna need a total of 5 lemons, and I zested 3 of them right here, and I'm putting it into the sugar. And I'm just gonna give that a quick whisk, just to incorporate it a little. And 112 grams or 1 whole cube or quarter cup of softened unsalted butter. And we're gonna need a total of 4 eggs. So I'm gonna crack those now. We're gonna slowly incorporate those. So I'm gonna do this little bit now and it'll just make it that much easier. Lemon curd is so refreshing. I have friends that say they just eat it out of the jar with a spoon. I agree with that. You don't always have to make it into something. It's pretty yummy. And it's the first thing I think of when I have all those lemons left over for making limoncello, which it seems like I'm making all the time. All right, so now you can whisk this and it'll take some time, or just use a quick little blender, and I'm using it in the saucepan. So that way I don't have anything to clean except for this. So I'm mixing the butter, sugar, and lemon zest right now. Now I'm gonna add the eggs one at a time. I did say how easy this was, right? It really is. All right, eggs in. I'm gonna increase the speed a little bit. What do you do with lemon curd? Put it on top of English muffin. Oh, you know what else? I put it in my Limoncello Tiramisu. Kind of skip that one step. Super fast. All right, we're increasing the speed. Now I'm going to add 150 grams or a half a cup and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice that I've strained. Make sure to strain it because you're going to get out all those little impurities. All right, and I'm going to add a touch of salt just to balance. All right, increase the speed a little. Imagine all that fresh flavor of the lemon, because it's pretty amazing. All right, I am going to put it on the stove under low heat for about 10 minutes, constantly whisking it until it thickens. Once it thickens, you need to strain it. You don't have to strain it, but it just gets out those little lemon peels, and it's just absolutely, this is one that I just made. It's absolutely amazing. Just so you can try. Well, virtually try. I'll try it for you. That tart, sweet, creamy, lemon curd. But let's look at this again. Look how pretty that is. Thanks for watching my pretend cooking show. My name is Dina Mitchell. See you next time. Please like and subscribe. Ciao.